To add a new revenue voucher, the user must navigate to the Accounting menu and click on the Transactions submenu and select the Revenue Voucher option. This will show the home page of the Revenue Voucher menu. Click on the Add button provided on the top right corner of the header section. When the Add button is clicked, a new form shows up. Select the business unit for which the revenue voucher is to be created. The date will be shown by default. The reference for this transaction will be automatically generated as configured in the reference formula in the Settings menu. The user can enter any special reference for this revenue voucher transaction. The cost center can be selected from the drop-down menu, either by scrolling or filtering with the appropriate character. The currency field is auto-filled based on the business unit selected, which is configured in the Settings menu. This currency can be changed during the transaction. The rate field will fetch the rate according to the currency selected, and it is always against the basic currency. Rate and the preferred rate can be changed during the transaction if needed. Else the rate configured in the settings against the basic currency will be shown. Then click on the Revenue Account field and select an account by searching with the exact alphabet keyword or account number, so the system will fetch the relevant result. Then enter the amount in the given field. An account will be shown in the Cash Account field as configured in the settings. By selecting the exact alphabet keyword or account number, the user can change the default cash account to another cash account if needed. Once done, any notes to be included can be entered in the Notes field. Finally, if any attachment needs to be included, it can be done by clicking on the Browse option. Once all the details are entered, click on Save. The entered details will be saved successfully and can be seen on the home page. To view a revenue voucher transaction, click on the View icon under the Action column. To edit a revenue voucher transaction, click on the Edit icon under the Action column. The Add Revenue Voucher screen will be in edit mode. Once the changes are done, the user can save the updated data. A duplicate option is provided to minimize user efforts, in which the system will create a duplicate entry of the revenue voucher with pre-filled data. The user can edit the necessary fields and save. A new entry can be seen on the home page. To delete a revenue voucher, click on the Delete icon under the Action column. The system will then show a confirmation message to the user for deletion, and if the user confirms, the revenue voucher transaction will be deleted. To change the status of the revenue voucher from draft to confirm, click on the Confirm option provided under the Action column. Once the transaction is changed from draft to confirmed, it cannot be deleted. A column visibility option is also provided, allowing users to customize which columns are shown in the report. The report generated can be exported in Excel or PDF format.